day 3. Hello my beautiful angels, how you doing? So I got a package from Amazon. Let me get it real quick. Got this package from Amazon that we're about to open. Okay, I have a few things for our video today. I need to put in my Christmas tree. I'm running so late, y'all. I was supposed to put up the tree or start putting up the tree at 10 a.m. It is now like past 12, and that's okay. You know, that's all right. But we're about to make a do what it do. I'm gonna open up this young Amazon package. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, the other thing that is in my package that I'm needing is like these mirrors for my TV stand. So y'all, I bought a TV stand, right? It was beautiful, it was real cute, but it didn't go together properly. So there was a defect with it and it would not properly go together. It was like the mirrored, filbert, I'm not sure how you say it, I think that's right, TV stand, and it was so pretty, y'all. But yeah, it didn't work out. So I had to send it back, and then I ended up buying another TV stand. I was like, I'm gonna do a DIY because I couldn't find one that I wanted. So I bought a new one. And this is just, I'm just opening stuff, y'all. These are the pillowcases that are gonna go on my living room couch. So I want it to be red, and it's like gold and silver. Even though I think my tree is gonna be pink. I don't even know what color the tree is gonna be this year, y'all. I think it's gonna be pink. I gotta go through the ornaments. We're about to see. So I'm gonna throw these in the washer with some other stuff. And ooh, here's the mirrors. Oh my god. I need to put this on the ground. Wait a minute. Oh. Oh. Y'all, I'm struggling. Oh my gosh. Woo. Yeah, I don't. Ooh. Duster thing. Ooh. Cheese. Okay, so I'm back. I just threw my delicates and stuff in the wash so I could wash those pillowcases and everything, and I'm about to show you my TV stand. Y'all are about to see how random and dusty it looks right now, but it's gonna be fixed today. So the TV stand looking real random. I just got stuff in there. It does not have the doors on. It's supposed to be doors on this little part here and this side here, and then this is open. Honestly, the way it's supposed to look, there's supposed to be books for me. That's how I want it. Books on the side here, books on the side here, but they're still in this box, unfortunately. And the middle is just gonna be, you know, candles. And speaking of candles, this is the candle of the day, but yeah, it's not about to be anymore. I'm about to switch this to the bathroom because it is not giving the vibes I want to get. I think I want more of the vibes here. Y'all, why have I never burned this? This is holiday cheer. It has notes of warm vanilla, spiced rum, and a dash of nutmeg. This sounds like kind of what we want to be burning. I wanted something more Christmas tree-y, but whatever. This is fine too. So let me take this other one to the bathroom area. And dang it, I need to trim the wicks. So these are the doors that are supposed to be on my TV stand, but they're not on there because ugly. These are not cute. I don't like that. Oh, but we're about to fancy them up and then put them on the TV stand. And I have to clean them off first, as you can see. They're quite dirty from just sitting. So yeah, pretty much we're gonna do some crafting. So I'm gonna put the mirrors on top of here, and then I bought these like fancy overlays from overlays.com. They look like this. Y'all, I clearly did the most when I could have just bought a new TV stand that was a little more expensive. I was being cheap, but by the time I bought all this stuff, I could have just got a new TV stand, and now I actually do want a larger TV stand, but it's okay. We're still about to craft today. Y'all, I had to open a window because that E6000 glue smell is strong. This glue is very strong. It's an industrial glue for glass, wood, and all of that. So that's what I was using. But woo, that smell. Okay, so for this last part, as you could see, I was trying to fit the mirrors and everything because I realized I didn't fit them correctly for the overlays to go on top. But since I actually have to attach them to the TV stand, I don't know like if the spacing is right for putting on the hinges and everything. So what I'm gonna do, these actually came with the mirror. They're like some little sticky things, adhesives. So I am just going to actually use these to put on, kind of secure the overlays for now. And then I will, you know, go back, put on the hinges and everything, and kind of go from there. Y'all, this project, I might not be able to finish it today because I still have to let the glue dry on the mirror part. This stuff is strong. Oh my goodness. Y'all, so I'm back. I broke a nail while I was doing that. Like, ew, how did that happen? But anywho, I had to go eat real quick, but I'm just letting these dry and cure here on the floor for now, and I'm about to go on and do the tree, the Christmas tree. But side note, y'all, this smells so good. This holiday cheer candle, this smells really good. And random, I forgot, you guys might ask about my PJ set. It is actually from Shein, so it's just a little set with some feathers, woo woo. So it's like kind of like a bathrobe thing, but not. And the bottom, it just has these like frilly little leaf things. I meant feathers, not leaves. Okay, Christmas tree time. I have to go into the closet and get all the decorations, the ornaments, and the tree. Decorations. We have our tree out, but I actually need to sort through the decorations, guys. So in here we have, oh, that's Christmas boxes. We have our tree picks. This little guy goes in the kitchen. This is for the TV stand. And I don't know, I think these were on the TV stand, like these little signs like this. I'm gonna leave them in there for now. And these just go up around the house. And this box has to be ornaments. Yep, this is ornaments. There's a random Thanksgiving thing in there. So let's see, pink, white, pearl ornaments, some lights. We're probably gonna do pink, white, pearl, and like gold this year. Cause it's mostly like pink and white in here. There's some red at the bottom. Yeah, come on. This is all of our pink ornament stuff. Yeah, we're good. So now I'm about to start putting up the tree. Y'all, the fluffing is definitely helping. I was supposed to be getting a new tree this year. Well, I was supposed to be getting a new tree last year, but I waited way too late. So this year I was like, it's cost too much, you know. I was like, I'm gonna get it next year. So then I waited till after Black Friday, way too late, to go look back on the website. I was like, let me just see something, you know, let me just check it out. That thing was sold all the way out. So they had marked it down. That thing was under $200. And yeah, it was going. But you know, it's okay. We're gonna make this shake. We're gonna make it work. We're gonna make a little scarecrow bird tree work. And the way I'm fluffing the branches, I'm actually pushing them out and then upwards. Because, I don't know, it just helps I feel like it looks a little bit better. And it helps the ornaments stay on and not fall. Because a lot of my ornaments are glass. And I don't need those glass ornaments falling and breaking. Okay, so this is how the tree is looking. You know, she's looking a little bald head in some areas, but we're gonna fill it in. You know, we're gonna give her some little Rogaine, some hair weave color. Ooh, oh my gosh, she gonna be looking a little like a little baddie in a minute. She's still a baddie right now. She's still cute. But yes, I need to go take a break, make some, oh, that is bothering me. Go make some hot chocolate, and then we'll be back for the ornaments. Okay, so now I'm at a difficult step. I know that I want to put some ribbon and some pearls on there, but I don't know like the other ornaments I want to use. So it's in between these little like gold balls. They're like crackled gold and silver balls. Or we have this kind. It's just a super glam. I think that's gonna be too much with the pearls and the ribbon. And then I also have some snowflakes. Trying to figure out, what do I want to put on there? Okay, we're gonna wait a minute. I'm just gonna put on the ribbon and the pearl garland and then kind of see from there.
Yeah, breakfast at Tiffany's and bottles of bubbles. Girls with tattoos who like getting in trouble. Lashes and diamonds, ATM machines. Buy myself all of my favorite things. Been through some bad, I should be a savage. Who would've thought it turned me to a savage? Rather be tied up with calls and the strings. Write my own checks like I wanna sing. My wrist, stop watching. My neck is fuzzy. Make big deposits. My glass is popping. You like my hair? Gee, thanks. Just bought it. I see it. I like it. I want it. I got it. Yeah, I want it. I got it. 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 You like my hair? Gee, thanks. Just bought it. I see it. I like it. I want it. I got it. Yeah. Wearing no ring, but ain't gon' mean no distance. I'm matching diamonds for 6 a month. I'd rather spoil all my friends with my riches. Think we said therapy might know addiction. So I finally finished the tree. This is what it looks like. So I'm actually super tired after doing all this, but I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. And we have to continue our project tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good night. Bye.